Meaning of Harold Shipman.
Harold Shipman.
Harold Shipman.
Harold Shipman.
Harold Shipman. Harold Shipman was a British doctor and one of the most prolific serial killers in history. He was convicted of murdering 15 of his patients in 2000, but it is believed that he may have killed up to 250 people over the course of his career. Shipman's motive for murder remains unclear, but it is believed that he enjoyed the sense of power it gave him. His reign of terror has left a lasting impact on the medical profession and has raised important questions about patient safety and the need for greater oversight in the healthcare system.